I have officially made it to my aunt's house. And it's beautiful here. She says it was only 100 today. So that should be nice. She hugs me. She hasn't seen me in a long time. She hugs me and she was all like, "There's nothing to you." I was like, "I know." The tow truck driver took 9 hours to get to me. 9 hours. If we had not luckily found that bridge that we did and had shade while we were waiting, we would have died. We would have died out there. Literally, we would have fucking died. It was like 100 and something today. That bridge literally saved us. Like, yeah, I was sweating and Gomez was, but like, it wasn't, the sun wasn't beating down on us. The sun beating down on you is the worst in the desert. It's insane how terrible that freaking sun is. So I'm accelerating down the road, and all of a sudden my car won't accelerate. So I just kept pushing it because there was no shade. There was absolutely no shade. So I just kept pushing my car, trying to get it to go. And found the bridge. And then when it started to get dark, I was like, oh, hell no. So I tried to turn the car on and then reverse it to put it back into the shade because the sun was starting to go down. So it was like coming into the car, but it was like really hot still. So I backed the car up and I was like, oh, if I can back the car up, maybe I can drive to the next exit. So I fucking went for it. And I barely made it to a building outside of the gas station. And they were like, the cops called and they were like, yeah, so we hear you were supposed to get towed. And I was like, yeah, like 5 hours ago. And yeah, I waited there for 4 more hours, by the way. And the tow truck finally comes. It was like 10 o'clock at night. Tried to tell me that it was too late to take me to my destination now. And I was like, what? Hell no. I was like, yo, I called y'all at 1. And I need to get the fuck out of here. So he called his boss, got it cleared, and he brought me to my aunt's an hour away. What time is it right now? I don't know. It's late and I'm tired and cute. Okay, bye.